Rhino Restoration of Texas is a premier roofing repair in Austin, TX, specializing in top quality and affordable roof repair services. Our skilled professionals have years of experience in the roofing industry and use the latest techniques and equipment to deliver exceptional results. We take pride in our workmanship and use only the best materials to ensure your roof is strong and sturdy for years to come. Contact our roof repair today to schedule a consultation. Are you looking for a roof repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Rhino Restoration of Texas. Is it cheaper to repair or replace a roof? Repairing a roof is significantly less expensive than replacing one. Your roof has some parts that don't endure as long as the overall roof system. Can you repair a roof without replacing it? There's no need to invest in a new roof because most small-scale damage can be patched up and fixed. Nonetheless, it is preferable to replace your entire roof if the damage covers more than 30% of it. What is your service area for the Austin, Texas office? Our local roof repair have assisted clients in the surrounding areas of Austin, Fredericksburg, Llano, New Braunfels, Lampasas, Temple, Cameron, College Station, Brenham, Columbus, Gonzales, Navasota, Killeen, Seguin, Saba, Burnet, San Marcos, Grange, Madisonville, San Antonio, Waco, Houston, Texas. Where is your roof repair Austin, Texas business located? We are located at 8912 Achita Drive, Austin, Texas 78749. Our phone number is 512-825-0478. Visit our website, www.rhinoroofstx.com.